Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create Windows 11 installation media. Click Download Now under the Create a Windows 11 installation media. Run Media Creation Tool. I will NTKH on use the recommended options for this computer because I want to create a boot drive for install Windows 11 to another computer. Select USB flash drive. I need to be at least 8 GB for USB flash drive. The media creation tool is progressing. Make sure that your PC have internet connection because media creation tool will download Windows file from Microsoft server. Now media creation tool is finished. Now we can check in USB drive had Windows bootable. Thank you for watching. If you don't mind, please subscribe my YouTube channel to see more videos.